Love can make even the smartest woman forget her worth. When your heart is all in, you want to give him the world, fix his problems, and prove your love in every way possible. But here's the truth. The fastest way to lose a man's respect is to lose yourself in the process. There are 7 things a woman should never do for a man, no matter how much you love him. The first thing: never sacrifice your self-respect to keep him. Begging, pleading, tolerating disrespect, or chasing after him when he pulls away will not make him love you more. It only teaches him that he can treat you any way he wants, and you'll still stay. The second: never abandon your friends, family, or life for him. When you give up your support system and make him your entire world, you hand him complete control over your happiness. High-value women maintain a life outside the relationship. The third: never do things that compromise your morals or values. If you find yourself agreeing to things that go against your beliefs just to keep him interested, you're setting yourself up for heartbreak. A man who truly loves you will never require you to betray yourself. The fourth: never overinvest financially or emotionally to earn his love. Paying for everything, fixing all his problems, or acting like his therapist won't secure his heart. Men respect women who support them, but they lose interest in women who carry the entire relationship on their shoulders. The fifth: never ignore red flags. If he lies, disrespects you, flirts with other women, or treats you like an option, love is not an excuse to stay silent. The longer you excuse bad behavior, the harder it is to walk away later. The sixth: never tolerate emotional or physical abuse. Love is not pain. If he controls you, manipulates you, or hurts you in any way, walking away is not weakness. It's self-preservation. The strongest women know when to leave. And the seventh: never make him your purpose in life. Love should add to your happiness, not become the only source of it. When your world revolves around a man, he feels it, and over time, he'll respect you less. Your dreams, your growth, your joy must come first. Here's the ultimate truth. The right man falls in love with a woman who knows her value, sets boundaries, and refuses to shrink herself for love. The wrong man will take everything you give and still leave. So protect your heart, love deeply, but never lose yourself for anyone, because the moment you love yourself enough to walk away from what disrespects you, you become unforgettable.